Okay, good day. We will going to solve using calculator Dexin, yung ordinary lang na calculator, yung value of logarithmic expressions. Okay, take note of this form. Log of a of base b is equals to c, where b is the base, a is called the argument, and c is called the value or the exponent, di ba? Okay, how to solve the first one? Log of 32 of base b. What is its value using Dexin? So yun yung mga mga commands niya, no? Okay. So for example, this one, okay, log, press log. Log, then 32 divided by, okay, so we have here log 32 divided by log of 2, log of 2 should be equal to 5. Okay, so to check, 2 raised to 5 is equals to 32, no? Okay, next, log of 625 of the base 5. Okay, what is its value? So katulad ng number 1, that is log 625 divided by log of 5 should be equal to 4. Okay, correct. So to check, gawin natin siyang exponential form. 5 raised to 4 is indeed 625. Okay, let's check. 5, so ito exponent natin, yung inverted b, no? 5 raised to 4 is equals to 625. So that's how we check. Okay, this one. Next is this one, no? Log of 16 to the base 1/2. Okay, so dito na sa Dexin natin, so log 16 divided by log, okay, 1, and then for the fraction, itong pipindutin natin, no? A, B, C na to, yan. So magiging ganun yung kanya symbol, and then dahil 1/2, 2 yung ating denominator, press equals will give us -4. Okay, so the answer here, log of 16 to the base 1/2 is equal to -4. Okay, last, log of 1 over square root of 5 to the base 5 is equal to what value? Okay, sa ating calculator, we have log, so we have 1 over square root of 5, okay, 1, and then yung fraction button in ABC, ito, and then press square root of 5 divided by log of 5 equals to, we have -0.5 or -1/2. Okay, to check, so we have 5 raised to -0.5 is indeed, ito yan ay 0.44721. Okay, so thank you very much. Hope you have learned from this lesson. I will see you on my next upload. Goodbye and God bless.